First Warn 5 weather with Matt Hollander.
6:42 this morning, and the big national story from a weather perspective today is going to be up in the Northeast. Notice the slight risk up there. Again, severe weather, not a very common thing up there, but it does happen. Damaging wind and hail possible, even the chance for a few tornadoes. In fact, they do have the best chance of severe weather today. Now, no chance of severe weather in the state of Texas. In fact, rain is going to be a tough thing to come by really for the next week and potentially beyond as well. We are not going to be making the headlines for sure for our weather. It's going to be very quiet. That's because this high pressure, it's still holding strong, and that's why there's activity in the eastern Gulf, not so much in the western Gulf. Today, it's the same setup. There is still low pressure in Mexico. About the only difference is there's a little bit bigger distance between this high pressure and this low pressure, so the pressure gradient's not as tight. That means today won't be as breezy of a day. Now, this time of year, almost every day is going to be a little bit on the breezy side, but certain days are breezier than others depending on how tight that pressure gradient is. And so today, not as breezy as the last few days have been, which to this time of year, we kind of like the breeze, so that's not necessarily a good thing. 8 a.m., mostly sunny skies, but notice how the clouds thicken up a little bit, mainly in the lower valley. We're not talking about thick overcast skies by any means, but I do think it'll be partly cloudy for a period from late morning through the early afternoon, but then right back to mostly sunny skies. Again, not as breezy today. It's going to be another hazy day, even though there are not going to be many clouds around. That Saharan dust, African dust is still going to be around, so that haze is still going to be there. So not the prettiest of days, and it's going to be plenty hot. Still mostly clear skies this evening, all night long, into tomorrow. In fact, tomorrow, I don't think we're going to even have a period where the clouds thicken up temporarily and become partly cloudy, and that's not a good thing. The more sun, the higher those temperatures will be. Now, I do think, once again, it's going to be back to those breezy conditions, frequent gusts tomorrow around 20 miles per hour. That's a good thing because there's going to be a lot of humidity, and I think the temperatures are going to be a couple degrees higher. So the heat index tomorrow, yeah, right around 106. Today, I think it's going to be more around 104. Another dry day tomorrow. And check this out. This is rain for the next 7 days, and I'm showing the whole country to put it in perspective that just about everybody in the entire country is going to see rain, but look at Texas. Yeah, maybe some rain in the Panhandle, but that's it. So we're not the only ones that are going to be dry. Much of the state of Texas is going to be dry. The only other state that may be rain-free, maybe Oregon. So, yeah, we're definitely unlucky with the rain. There might even be some flash flooding in parts of the southeast before it's all said and done, but certainly not here. It's going to be a hot one today. 98 is going to be the high, but of course, with that humidity, it's going to feel worse. It's going to feel more like 104. Another hazy day, a day with mostly sunny skies and a typical breeze for this time of year, around 15 miles per hour. The winds will die down tonight, just 5 to 10 miles per hour, mostly clear skies. That 77 is a normal low temperature for this time of year. The problem is our high temperatures are not normal. They are above normal, but not at record territory either. Record highs this time of year around 103, 104. The good news is we do stay shy of that, but check out all the triple digits. Yeah, today is the last day where I think the average high temperature is going to be in the 90s in the valley. Every other day on this 7-day forecast, yeah, right around 100, if not 101. Now, some days will be breezy, some days not so breezy. Right now, it's looking like Saturday and Sunday may not be that breezy. So we're talking about heat index right now in the weekend around 106 and 108.